Well, Reggie cleaned up pretty well. Touched up the corners, did the headlights, did the fog lights. They're not perfect. I think they're almost a little too far gone, but it helped tremendously. Old girl cleaned up pretty good. Those chrome wheels still look nice. I got all the mildew off the roof. I need to repaint those luggage bars. Yeah, all the touched up parts turned out pretty good. Sorry the video's shaky. I've already screwed up my new gimbal thing. I pressure washed around the badges and they cleaned up a lot, but they still need a good Q-tip. Yeah, like I said, all the corners touched up, paint nice. Everything's in good shape. This panel down here is still loose, but nobody can really tell that. Vacuumed her out, got her good and clean on the inside. She's in good shape. You know, this thing doesn't have a lot of leg room. I mean, I'm 6'2". I bet that thing's never even been used. I mean, it's been driven by a teenager and a elderly retired, well, yeah, they're elderly now, I guess you could say, retired couple. I didn't know this thing had curtain airbags. I guess that's good. But yeah, she cleaned up nice. I'm very impressed, very happy. So, off to deliver her to her home and to get my Saab back. Anyway, I've got a couple of exhaust clips and engine revs, so I'll attach those at the end of the video. Alright, do our little 0 to 60 spot. That was 60. Not too bad. Pretty strong. man, that thing runs like new. Hard to believe it's 13 years old. It's crazy. I'm gonna let it warm up and then do a few revs. I do hear a little bit of accessory whine. I'm sure y'all hear that too. But there's no way to see anything going on down here. Well, when it breaks, we'll get it fixed.